Imagine growing healthier plants while reducing electricity costs at the same time. Today, we're counting down the top 5 solar panel kit for greenhouse setups built for efficient off-grid growing. Welcome to my channel. Stay tuned for smart buying tips, real value, and easy solutions. Check the description links to grab your favorite pick today. At number 5 is ecoCalm exhaust fan. A greenhouse can silently become a plant killer when trapped heat and stale air start building faster than growers realize. Many people invest in solar greenhouse systems expecting healthy airflow, only to struggle with weak ventilation and zero nighttime performance. That frustration changes quickly with ecoCalm exhaust fan. Its dual bifacial solar panels pull in more energy, while the built-in battery keeps airflow moving even after sunset. The automatic temperature control adds real convenience, especially during unpredictable weather. With strong 680 CFM airflow, it handles greenhouses, sheds, and chicken coops without sounding overworked. Compared to standard single-panel greenhouse fans, it delivers noticeably better circulation and longer operating flexibility, though cloudy conditions still reduce charging efficiency. Ideal for gardeners, homesteaders, and off-grid growers who need reliable ventilation without depending on utility power. This setup transforms hot, stagnant spaces into balanced, growing environments where plants can finally breathe and thrive naturally every day. At number 4 is ladate 25-watt solar. Plants do not fail overnight, they slowly surrender when heat and stagnant air quietly take over the greenhouse environment. Many growers searching through the top 5 solar panel kit for greenhouse options end up disappointed by weak airflow or systems that stop working after sunset. Ladate 25-watt solar solves that frustration with a powerful balance of battery storage, quiet ventilation, and reliable solar charging. Its 4000 mAh battery keeps airflow running through the night, while adjustable fan speeds allow better climate control for delicate plants and livestock spaces. The low-noise operation is a huge advantage for greenhouses and animal enclosures where constant loud fans become exhausting. Compared to others, it delivers quieter performance and excellent battery endurance, though ecoCalm pushes stronger airflow for larger spaces. Ideal for greenhouse owners, chicken coop setups, and off-grid growers who want steady ventilation without rising electricity costs. This system creates a calmer, healthier environment where growth feels consistently protected every single day. On number 3 is DC House 25-watt solar. One overheated afternoon can quietly undo weeks of careful greenhouse growing without any warning signs at all. Many people investing in the top 5 solar panel kit for greenhouse solutions struggle with inconsistent airflow, loud fans, or systems that completely stop when sunlight fades. DC House 25-watt solar tackles that issue with intelligent ventilation that keeps air moving day and night using both solar energy and built-in battery backup. Its automatic cycling system feels surprisingly efficient, balancing airflow and battery conservation without constant adjustments. The strong 2600 RPM fan performance helps reduce trapped heat and humidity inside greenhouses, chicken coops, and sheds. Compared to others, it delivers more aggressive airflow control, though ladate operates quieter during extended use. Ideal for growers, homesteaders, and outdoor setups needing dependable ventilation with low operating costs. The weather-resistant build and simple installation make it practical for everyday use. This setup brings healthier airflow and more stable growing conditions without relying on expensive grid power. At number 2 is HNRLOY Solar. One brutal afternoon of trapped heat can wipe out weeks of careful plant growth. And that's exactly why the HNRLOY Solar setup feels built for growers who are tired of walking into a greenhouse that feels more like an oven than a healthy growing space. The moment those four high-speed fans kick in, stale air disappears fast, pushing out heavy humidity and protecting delicate seedlings from heat stress without adding another spike to the electric bill. What stands out most in this solar greenhouse ventilation kit is the battery backup. Unlike many compact solar exhaust systems that quit the second the sunlight fades, this one keeps airflow moving deep into the night, which matters during humid evenings when mold and trapped moisture become a real problem. Installation feels surprisingly simple too. Plug-and-play connectors, long cables, and pre-drilled mounting points make it practical for chicken coops, sheds, and hobby greenhouses alike. The fan noise stays fairly controlled, though the airflow can feel aggressive in smaller spaces. Compared with lighter single-fan models, HNRLOY Solar delivers a more serious cooling presence that feels designed for growers who cannot afford stagnant air. Now moving to the last one is BINGLUX Solar. Most greenhouse owners do not realize overheating damages plants long before leaves start visibly wilting, and that hidden stress is where the BINGLUX solar system earns attention fast. Built around a stronger 40-watt panel and battery-supported airflow, this setup keeps air circulating even after daylight disappears, which is critical for reducing trapped humidity and protecting delicate growth overnight. The nearly silent operation also makes a noticeable difference inside chicken coops, pet shelters, and compact growing spaces where constant fan noise becomes irritating over time. Installation feels refreshingly uncomplicated. The detachable panel, long extension cable, and quick mounting hardware allow flexible placement without complicated wiring or expensive tools. Compared with smaller single-speed solar ventilation kits, BINGLUX Solar pushes more consistent airflow during hotter afternoons while maintaining lower operating noise. The airflow can feel slightly excessive for tiny enclosures, but for greenhouse hobbyists, backyard growers, and off-grid gardeners struggling with stagnant air, this system delivers practical cooling support that feels reliable during demanding summer conditions and seasonal temperature swings. BINGLUX Solar takes the top spot because it delivers the most balanced performance for real greenhouse conditions. The stronger 40-watt panel, quiet airflow, and battery backup keep ventilation running even after sunset, helping protect plants from trapped heat and excess moisture. It also feels easier to install than many competing kits. While HNRLOY offers stronger airflow, BINGLUX provides a smoother overall experience for greenhouse owners who want dependable cooling, lower noise, and reliable day-to-night performance. So guys, this was the video about the top 5 solar panel kit for greenhouse. All the links are given in the description. Do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.